Assalamu alaikum to all the students and a very warm welcome to you all in our English language class. This is our lecture number 12, okay, and I'm your English language teacher, Sidra. Uh, Now we are starting lecture number 12, okay, which is about articles and preposition. ठीक है, we will discuss articles and preposition in the depth. The definitions, the overview is the same which we have already done in the parts of speech. These are the parts of speech actually, okay, and we have already done this. ठीक है, we don't need to be go in the depth much more, but we have to complete this with the exercises also. Hanya Fahim, actually there is a load shedding problem and generator is on. That's why maybe you will be having some kind of sound and distortion. Okay, so please ignore that and adjust with that. Okay. Acha, what I was saying that we have already done these both topics, okay, in parts of speech, and we will be having some particular exercises about articles and preposition here. In parts of speech, we have completed all the parts, but we haven't done their kinds and their particular exercises. In that, we have just learned about the examples, okay, जो मोटी मोटी examples थी, जो particular examples थी, which we have just done that, okay. But now in this articles and preposition I have just combined just because of this reason that we have already done this, and now we will be having a very little bit discussion about these definitions, and plus we will be having a very particular exercise of articles and preposition both. अच्छा, articles topic is not in your concept book, okay. इसके अंदर आर्टिकल्स की कोई एक्सरसाइज मेंशन नहीं है इन योर कॉन्सेप्ट बुक, ठीक है। आपकी जो लैंग्वेज की कोर्स बुक है, देयर इज नो एक्सरसाइज ऑफ आर्टिकल्स इन दैट। हाँ, preposition ऑब्वियसली मेंशन ओवर देयर, बट आर्टिकल्स की कोई एग्जांपल नहीं है और ना ही कोई इससे रिलेटेड एक्सरसाइज है। सो out of the course book I have combined some of the exercises, I have combined some of these sentences to solve, okay, फ्रॉम दी अदर रिसोर्सेज यू मे से, ओके। कुछ नेट से उठाए हैं, कुछ पॉइंट्स मैंने दूसरी किसी रेफरेंस बुक से कॉपी किए हैं। सो यू विल बी हैविंग अ वेरी पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ एक्सरसाइज इन आर्टिकल्स टॉपिक, ठीक है। नाउ first we will start with the articles, okay। I have just combined this lecture just because they are very short and there is no much explanation in it because you have already done this in the parts of speech topic. So what are the articles? The word a or an, and the a or n means a ya n in a single sentence. The purpose of using a or n is same, ठीक है। ए और एन के यूज करने का जो पर्पस होता है वो सेम होता है, ओके, बट there is a little bit discrimination, a little bit differentiation between where which words are coming with a or which words are coming with n, they are different, okay। they comes before noun, तो जो a से a के बाद वाले जो nouns हैं और n के बाद वाले जो nouns हैं, they are little bit different। उनके अंदर obviously you have done this, so उनकी साउंड्स में फ़र्क होता है, ठीक है। ए और एन को हम ए एंड एन इसलिए नहीं लिख रहे बिकॉज द सेंटेंसेस विल बी same, but we have to recognize, we have to determine that where we have to use a or where we have to use n, okay। अच्छा, da का usage, this is totally different from these two articles, okay। da is used another kind of, there is a different definition you may say। कट के आ रही है एक्चुअली, I don't know what is the matter. Maybe it will be your speaker's problem, Alina Farooq, because nobody is, हाँ थोड़ी सी डिस्टॉर्शन होगी पीछे बिकॉज ऑफ जनरेटर, बट कट के क्यों आएगी आवाज़? अच्छा, नोटेड, ओके। अगर आगे भी हो रही हो तो प्लीज़ इन्फॉर्म मी। अच्छा, तो देखा, आसिया इज सेइंग दैट द वॉइस इज क्लियर, ठीक है। इट विल बी योर साइड प्रॉब्लम, okay। Now come to the point again, and what I was saying that the purpose of usage is totally different from these a or n, ठीक है, ए के बीच ए और एन के बीच में और इज मेंशन जस्ट बिकॉज देयर यूजेज पर्पस इज डिफरेंट एंड द का यूजेज पर्पस इज टोटली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम देम, ठीक है, बिकॉज देयर टाइप्स आर डिफरेंट. ए और एन comes in the first kind and the is in the second kind. We have there are two types of articles. Okay, तो एक टाइप के अंदर ए और एन दोनों फॉल करते हैं, ठीक है, दैट्स व्हाई दे आर हैविंग वन टाइप and the is having another type. Now, the words a or an and the are called articles. They are called the articles. They come before noun. They are always placed before the noun. आपको insert the articles के लिए जब भी आपको blank दिया given होगा, it will be before the noun. Okay. Of, always the blank for putting, for inserting a or an or any article, the blank is given before the noun. उसके just after the blank you will be having a noun over there. ठीक है. अच्छा, देर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ आर्टिकल्स. ओके, टू आर्टिकल्स होते हैं. देर आर हैविंग टू टाइप्स. ए और एन फॉल्स इन द वन टाइप एंड द फॉल्स इन द सेकंड टाइप, ठीक है. एग्जांपल्स आर शी इज एन इंटेलिजेंट गर्ल. एक्चुअली इंटेलिजेंट इज एन एडजेक्टिव विच डिस्क्राइब्स द गर्ल, ठीक है. इंटेलिजेंट जो है वो आपका एडजेक्टिव है, बट इट इज शोइंग द होल. ओके, जब ये इंटेलिजेंट नाउन गर्ल के साथ कंबाइन हुआ है तो इट बिकम वन नाउन. Okay, when adjective combines with the noun, so it becomes single noun over here. She is an intelligent girl. So how we will put an over here? uh, it will be the other thing. लेकिन हम इसको यहाँ पर क्या consider कर रहे हैं, that it comes before the noun. In this slide we are just considering that a or an and the, these three articles, or you may say the two types of these two types of articles are always placed before the noun. Just like intelligent girl is a noun, okay, we are putting it before the noun. ठीक है. A is an article which is inserted before the noun, which is called women. Women is a noun. Okay, men is a noun. They both are the nouns, and we are inserting article a before them. ठीक है. The cow is a useful animal. The is also inserted before a noun which is cow. Cow is a noun which is the name of the animal. Okay, तो इस noun से पहले हमेशा article put किया जाएगा. Articles are always inserted before the noun. Okay, now this is the articles. These are the two types of article, you may say. Indefinite articles, which are journal things, which are used for journal thing. Okay, these indefinite articles we use for journal nouns, journal things, common nouns, you may say. Okay, and definite article, which is the, it is used for the specific thing, specific or very special, you may say a specific or special type of noun. Okay, the is always placed before the specific noun, and indefinite articles, which are a or an, they are used before any general things, name, general noun or common noun. ठीक है. If you are having any problem in listening to me, it must be from your side, because from my side there is no problem. Okay, सबको तो ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं आ रही है ना. If 2-3 students are getting this problem, so it must be from your side. Acha, these are two types, indefinite and definite articles. Indefinite articles are a or an. Okay, और definite articles is the. ठीक है. A or an we use for general things, and the is used for specific thing. ठीक है. Now we will be having this uh, explanation of indefinite articles over here. Indefinite articles are a or an. The choice between a or an is determined by sound. Okay, before a word beginning with a vowel sound is sound n is used. What are they saying? That by indefinite articles we are having two indefinite articles over here, and how to use them by recognizing, by determining the sound of the noun before which we have to place the आर्टिकल. हमें जो आर्टिकल प्लेस करना है उसके जस्ट आफ्टर द ब्लैंक वी विल बी हैविंग नाउन्स, और उस नाउन के साउंड क्या है. ओके, जस्ट वी हैव टू डिटरमाइन द साउंड फर्स्ट. ओके, if before a word beginning with a vowel sound, if the noun is with the vowel sound n is used. Whenever the sound is coming from a vowel, okay, whenever the sound is of vowel, the beginning sound of the noun is vowel sound, then we will use an over there. Okay, like an orange, okay, an umbrella, okay, and honest. You may look over here that O is a vowel, U is a vowel, but H is not vowel, but their sound is vowel. Okay, vowels are sounds. Vowels are not letters. Vowels letters नहीं है. Vowels are sound. वो हमें sound से pick करने होते हैं. तो whenever we will be placing A or N, we just have to consider the sounds, not the starting words. ठीक है, हमें words starting words को consider नहीं करना. We have to consider the vowel sounds over here. ठीक है, तो an orange, an umbrella, an honest. Although it is the honest word is starting, the first letter starting letter is H, which is not vowel, it's a consonant, but the sound is vowel. Okay, now this is definite article. It means that um, with the vowel sound we will use an, and with the consonant sounds we will use a. Okay, a ke you may use some examples over here. How we can use some examples of a. एक examples मुझे कोई देगा in the chat box please. एक examples, or should I write by myself? एक example we can use like a table. Okay, a ball. Okay, very good Asya. And a school. Very good. Okay, these are the words which are not having vowel sounds. Okay, these are the nouns which are having consonant sounds. For those all consonant sounds we will use a school, okay, a ball. Okay, these are all those words which are consonant words, which are having consonant sounds, and they will be for all those we will be using a. ठीक है, very good. Now come to the definite articles. The, when we talk about a particular person or thing, or one already referred to, means where we use the when we talk about a particular person or thing. Means particular means very special, a specific person if we are talking about. And if we are talking about the person which we have already talked about, which we have already talked about, any person or thing about whom, about which we have already talked. ठीक है, just like I was talking about you, a girl. ठीक है, उस गर्ल का एक्सीडेंट हो गया था. लेट्स सपोज दैट कल हमने इस लड़की के बारे में बात की थी, या किसी लड़के के बारे में हमने बात की थी. नाउ आई वांट टू रिमाइंड यू द सेम गर्ल. ओके, तो मैं क्या कहूँगी कि आज उस लड़की की तदफीन है जिसकी कल डेथ हो गई थी. ओके, तो व्हाट आई विल कॉल दैट, द गर्ल. नाउ टुडे इज a funeral ceremony of the girl who died yesterday. ठीक है, ओके ना. अगर कोई और एनी, इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एनी कॉमन गर्ल, देयर इज अ फ्यूनरल ऑफ अ गर्ल. ठीक है, आज एक फ्यूनरल सेरेमनी है एक लड़की की. ओके, बट इफ वी हैव ऑलरेडी टॉक्ड अबाउट द गर्ल, अगर हम उस लड़की के बारे में पहले भी बात कर चुके हैं, तो व्हाट वी विल से, टुडे इज टुडे that today the girl died who was admitted yesterday in the hospital, कि जो लड़की कल हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट हुई थी वो आज मर गई है. तो द पर्सन, द थिंग अबाउट whom वी हैव ऑलरेडी टॉक्ड, उसको रेफर करने के लिए दोबारा. और इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एनी पर्टिकुलर स्पेशल काइंड ऑफ पर्सन और थिंग, देन ऑल्सो वी विल यूज द. ठीक है. Now come to the example. The book you want is out of print means that the book you want, हर book तो out of print नहीं है. Okay, we are having so many books in the printed form, but the particular book, a specific book which you are talking about, ठीक है, the book, वो book is out of print. Okay, we are talking about the specific book. The horse is a noble animal. Okay, now we are talking about a special kind of animal which is horse. Okay, all the animals are not noble, but the animal horse, okay, but the animal horse is the noble animal. Okay, you may say the horse is a noble animal, means that there is a particular kind of animal who is a noble one. The rose is the sweetest of all flowers means all we are having so many kinds of flowers, but we don't call all of them sweetest. ठीक है. ये जो दा है, this is the superlative degree because here is a sweetest. Okay, you have already done adjectives, तो आपको पता होगा कि with the superlative degrees of adjective we use the best, the sweetest, the tallest, the greatest. ठीक है ना. But here we are using this the. ये भी तो दा है. You can also ask the question, ये भी तो दा है. ठीक है. Why not? This is an article. No, this is not an art. It is an article. ये भी article है, but this article is not used before the noun. It is used before the adjective. ठीक है ना. ये वो article है जो adjective से पहले use हो रहा है. तो we are talking about the articles which are always put before the noun. Okay, rose is a noun and the is used over here. So what we will say here, the rose is the sweetest of all flowers. Like we have so many flowers, so many kind of flowers, but the rose is the sweetest one. Okay. Now come to the exercise. Actually, I told you that in your concept book there is no topic, there is no any exercise related to articles. So I have collected some points, some different kinds of sentences to give in the assignment. It is already given. Okay, ये assignment में भी आपको given है. Here I have taken 6 to 8 sentences to make you understand. There, okay. So we will be having some sentences which I have gathered from other resources. ठीक है. This is not included in your book. Number one is I bought dash horse, dash ox, and dash buffalo. We are not talking about any special or particular or specific type of horse or ox or buffalo. So we will put here indefinite articles. How? I bought a horse because there is no vowel sound, and ox because there is a vowel sound, and again here consonant sound. So a. I bought a horse, an ox, and a buffalo. ठीक है. Number two, Aladdin had a wonderful lamp because we are talking about a uh, we are talking about here a lamp which Aladdin had got. ठीक है. And wonderful is adjective. ठीक है. Wonderful तो हमारा adjective है. We are talking about the lamp. ठीक है. तो here we will use Aladdin had a wonderful lamp. कि Aladdin के पास एक wonderful lamp हुआ करता था. He is not an honorable man. ठीक है. Tagore was dash great king. Now here we are talking about a specific kind of person which was a great king. So how we will use article over here? Tagore was the great king. ठीक है. ग्रेट के साथ ऑलवेज वी यूज द. जैसे एडजेक्टिव्स के साथ हम सुपरलेटिव एडजेक्टिव के साथ वी यूज द. सो ग्रेट के साथ वी ऑलवेज यूज द. Who is the girl sitting there? Okay, now I'm talking about a specific or a special kind of girl which is sitting over there. तो what we will say, वो लड़की कौन है जो वहाँ बैठी हुई है. Okay, who is the girl sitting over there? Have you told me about the accident? क्या तुमने मुझे उस एक्सीडेंट के बारे में बताया था? क्या तुम मुझे उस एक्सीडेंट के बारे में बता चुके हो. तो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ स्पेसिफिक काइंड ऑफ एक्सीडेंट. ओके, हैव यू टोल्ड मी अबाउट द एक्सीडेंट. कॉपर इज a useful element, okay, because you is a vowel but sound is consonant over here. He turned after an hour, again a consonant hai but the sound is vowel, so we will use he turned after an hour. ठीक है. Now the article is completed over there. If there is any problem, just collect your queries, collect your answers, gather it with you, and then tell me at the end of the lecture. Okay. Now, come to the preposition. This is the definition of preposition, that a preposition is a word used with a noun or pronoun to show how the person or thing denoted by the noun or pronoun stands in relation to something else. Means whoever the person or thing, okay, जिसको हम noun or pronoun से denote कर रहे हैं, whether it is he or Ali, she or Sarah, whoever is there, okay, whoever the thing or person over there which is denoted by a noun or a pronoun, we have to take out the relation with something else. Give the person, he is standing in front of my house, okay. So he का रिलेशन माई हाउस से कैसे डिस्क्राइब हो रहा है, बाय द preposition in front of. ठीक है, by the preposition in front of. He is sitting inside the room, okay, he is sitting inside the room or outside the room or behind the room or beside the room. ठीक है, तो these are the preposition words which we use to show the relationship between the noun or a pronoun to something else, कि उस sentence में और जो भी कोई चीज़ आपको दी हुई है, कोई place दी हुई है, so you have to show the relation between the person, noun or a pronoun, person or thing, with the relation to another, with the relation to something else. For example, there is a cow in the garden, okay, where cow stands with the garden, in the garden, okay, मैं outside the garden भी कर सकती थी, ठीक है, beside the garden or far away from the garden, okay, near to the garden, in front of the garden, okay, behind the garden. So many you may say so many prepositions are over here to to show the relation between cow and the garden. The girl is fond of music. ये of और का की के वाला of they are different. ओके तो ये preposition है. A fair little girl sat under a tree. ओके on the tree भी हो सकती है. ओके the a fair little boy, a naughty boy sat on the branches of the tree. ठीक है, so we can use these preposition to show the position of noun or pronoun with the something else. Okay, now look at the examples over here. I'm going with my brother, with my mother. Okay, what is the relation between I am with my mother is showing with. ठीक है, इस preposition के through हमें show होता है कि what is the relation between this noun or pronoun to something or someone else in the same sentence. ठीक है, she is coming along with her friends. She is coming without her friends भी हो सकता है. Okay, so why I am saying this कि हो सकता है, because we have so many prepositions, so it is possible कि एक ही blank में we can have so many we can have 2-3 prepositions. ठीक है, एक ही blank में 2-3 prepositions can be suitable. Okay, there is no problem over here. ठीक है, एक ही ब्लैंक के अंदर 2 या 3 preposition भी आ सकते हैं. Divide the chocolate between these two boys. के divide the chocolate between these two boys. Whenever we are talking about two people, two person, two boys, two things, okay, two girls, सो वी यूज़ बिटवीन कि जब एक कोई भी चीज़ दो लोगों में डिवाइड की जाती है या डिस्ट्रीब्यूट की जाती है तो वी विल यूज़ बिटवीन. और 2 से ज़्यादा लोग हों, ओके, 10 बॉयज़ हों, 3 बॉयज़ हों या पूरी क्लास हो, तो वी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट एंड वी यूज़ preposition among them. ठीक है, just like here, divide the chocolate between these two boys, distribute these copies among the students. Okay, among is used for more than 3 students, for more than 2 students or 2 boys or 2 people or 2 things. ठीक है, अच्छा. Now preposition is a combination of two words, pre plus position. Pre means before, so it is used always before a noun or a pronoun. ये कभी भी noun और pronoun के बाद या आगे पीछे नहीं होता. It is just before the noun or a pronoun. ये बिल्कुल noun और a pronoun से articles की तरह noun और a pronoun से पहले लगता है. Position means it tells the position of anything or the place where it lies, कि वो कहाँ खड़ा है, कहाँ lie करता है. We use this to define the relation between the two, okay, or describe the position, describe the place. Okay, these are the examples which are already, these are the exercise which are already given in your concept book. ये examples मैंने वहीं से pick की हैं. This is page number 258 and exercise 22A. Okay, and prepositions की we are having so many exercises, 2 3 4 exercises हैं, तो we will just done 1 2 3 4 5 of each every exercise 1 till 5 हम सबके करेंगे. ठीक है. We hang the picture ऑन द वॉल. ओके, दीवार के ऊपर पेस्ट की जाती है या लटकाई जाती है, तो वी विल यूज ऑन द. ठीक है. आई हैव 3 बुक्स इन द ड्रॉर, बिकॉज बिकॉज ड्रॉर इज समथिंग इन विच वी पुट समथिंग. ओके, कोई ऐसी चीज है जो कि चारों तरफ से बंद होती है. जब कोई भी चीज चारों तरफ से एटलीस्ट 3 साइड से ब्लॉक होती है, ओके, तो उसके लिए हम इन यूज करते हैं. जस्ट लाइक एक स्टूल है और एक चेयर है. ठीक है. आई एम सिटिंग ऑन द स्टूल. ओके, स्टूल के ऊपर बैठना और चेयर के अंदर बैठना. आई एम सिटिंग in the chair. Okay, because chair have 2 3 borders around it. Okay, उसकी एक फेस खुली हुई होती है, बाकी 3 फेसेस जो उसके फैंस होता है या उसके हैंडल्स होते हैं, बैक होता है, तो इट इज अ काइंड ऑफ बॉक्स यू में से जिसके हम अंदर जाके बैठते हैं. और स्टूल बिकॉज इट हैज नो एनी बॉर्डर, एनी हैंडल, एनी बैक साइड. ठीक है, वो चारों तरफ से खुला हुआ होता है स्टूल, तो इट इज कॉल्ड ऑन द स्टूल. ओके, ये बात क्लियर होती है. नहीं होती तो यू मे आस्क एट द एंड. ठीक है. सो आई हैव 3 बुक्स in that drawer. In we are using for drawer because drawer is totally and from 4 sides it is blocked. ठीक है, वो बंद होता है, तो we will use inside. Inside that drawer, into the drawer, in the drawer, all are okay. 3, he left school. Again for the years we use in. Okay, he left school in 1978. We are going by foot. Okay, पैरों के जरिए. We are going by foot. Okay, he puts his hand on his head. Again, why on we are using here? Because head is a top of the thing. वो कहीं चारों तरफ से बंद नहीं होता. Okay, in the head you cannot put your hand. Inside the head you cannot put your hand. Into the head you cannot put your hand. Now this is the another exercise which you will be having in your concept book. Okay, the page number is 260. Okay, and the exercise number is 22B. Number 1 is he traveled. Achha, sometimes you have to use your common senses also to put the preposition over here. ठीक है, थोड़े से common senses को भी use कीजिएगा. He traveled London टू पेरिस. ओके, लंदन से लेकर उसने पेरिस तक का सफर किया, तो व्हाट हाउ वी विल पुट ओवर हियर, ही ट्रेवल्ड फ्रॉम लंदन टू पेरिस. ठीक है. ही कैरीड देम ऑन हिज बैक. अगेन बैक के ऊपर, अगेन वी आर नॉट हैविंग एनी बॉर्डर साइड. ओके, वो किसी तरीके से बंद नहीं होती, तो ही कैरीड देम ऑन हिज बैक. व्हाट हैपेंड डैश योर फ्रेंड. अच्छा, here again some people will be using to, and some students will be thinking about with. Okay, both are okay, both दोनों ठीक हैं. What happened with your friend or what happened to your friend, both are okay. Now again next exercise which is sorry, this is exercise 23B. okay, पेज नंबर आपका, पेज नंबर एक्चुअली, हाँ जी, पेज नंबर 271 एंड 272. ठीक है. अच्छा, नंबर 1 इज आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन द वर्क ही इज डूइंग. ओके, मैं उस वर्क में इंटरेस्टेड हूँ जो वो कर रहा है. ठीक है, आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन द वर्क ही इज डूइंग. 2, वी बॉट यूजफुल थिंग्स बाय द स्टोर, फ्रॉम द स्टोर. ठीक है, बोथ आर सेम. वी बॉट यूजफुल थिंग्स बाय द स्टोर, फ्रॉम द स्टोर. Can you come with us at 3 o'clock? Again, whenever we are having timings, okay, clock की timing जब हमारे पास given होगी, तो we will be using here at. ठीक है, places के लिए भी, sometimes places के लिए भी we also use at. ठीक है, wait for me at the corner of the road. ठीक है, so we will use at for the places also. Sometimes थोड़ी सी common sense use कीजिएगा, and for the timings also. Can you come with us at 3 o'clock? ठीक है. What is the name of that book? इस book का नाम क्या है? ठीक है. Now the lecture is completed. Now I am going to ask some presentation questions from your side. Okay. अच्छा, first I will see the participants, how many participants we have and who are here. ठीक है, I will call the name with the question number. Okay, total 8 questions we have. I will call the name with the question number and you will reply me in the chat box. ठीक है, अच्छा जी. Number 1 question will be given to you, Asia. Asia, you will reply me for question number 1. What are the indefinite articles? Okay, give me the reply in the chat box. Chat box में लिखकर बताइए. Number 2 questions will be answered by Muhammad Umar. Okay, Muhammad Umar, you never write your roll number here, and I have told you that Talha or Umar, I have so many Talha and Umar in in all 3 sections. Kindly write your roll number here. ओके, अदरवाइज आई मार्क योर एब्सेंट टुडे. मैं आज एब्सेंट मार्क कर दूंगी मोहम्मद उमर की अगर उन्होंने यहाँ पर अपनी क्लास और सेक्शन मेंशन नहीं किया प्लस देयर रोल नंबर. ठीक है, अच्छा, मोहम्मद उमर हु हैजंट रिटन द रोल नंबर हियर, ही विल रिप्लाई मी फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. नंबर 3 मुझे रिप्लाई करेंगी रुमैसा आबिद. रुमैसा आबिद, यू विल रिप्लाई मी फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. अच्छा, हानिया फहीम, you will reply me for question number 4. Hania Fahim, you will reply me for question number 4. Question number 5 will be respond me by Muhammad Arib. Muhammad Arib, you will reply me for question number 5. 6 मुझे reply करेंगे नुसैबा. ठीक है नुसैबा, you will reply me for question number 6. Umar Abdul Rahman, question number 7. And Ula Fatma, question number 8. ठीक है, उला फातिमा क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, उमर अब्दुल रहमान 7, नुसैबा फॉर 6. ठीक है, नाउ गिव मी अ मिनट. ठीक है, एंड राइट योर रिप्लाईज, राइट योर आंसर्स in the chat box. I'm just taking your answers, or if you are having any confusion, any problem, तो you may ask in the chat box also. ठीक है, अच्छा जी, who is responding here? जी, Ula Fatma, 8, by the plane. Have you ever traveled by the plane? Good. By the नहीं आएगा, only by plane. ठीक है, मुझे नहीं पता. Okay, very good. ठीक है Ula Fatma. Okay, now where are the other participants? Nobody is responding me. Hurry up beta, we don't have much time. We have only 6 minutes left. We have only 6 minutes left. Okay Nusaiba, okay, I am waiting. नंबर 7 ऑफ उमर अब्दुल रहमान. उमर अब्दुल रहमान, मैंने आपसे 7 कहा था. अच्छा, ओके, ठीक है. ही इज द रूलर ऑफ हिज ट्राइब. वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस, गुड. यस, हु एल्स? यस, हु इज रिस्पॉन्डिंग मी? वन टू थ्री, दे आर वेरी इजी. नुसैबा, नुसैबा से मैंने क्या नंबर 6 पूछा था? ही अराइव्ड हेयर at noon. Very good. I told you that whenever we talk about the timings, okay, clock timing या watch timing जब भी हम बात करते हैं, और about the places when we talk, तो we use at over there. ठीक है, very good Nusaiba. Up till now all the students are giving me a positive replies and giving me right answers. Okay, now Muhammad Arif, where are you? And Rumesa Abid, I asked you a question from you. And और किससे मैंने पूछा था? Hurry up, hurry up, we are not having much time. वेयर आर दी अदर पार्टिसिपेंट्स, कहाँ हैं सब? रुमैसा आबिद, वेयर आर यू? वाई यू आर नॉट गिविंग मी रिस्पॉन्स? Muhammad Umar, you haven't renamed your ID, but you haven't written your roll number up till now, and you are not responding me. Haris Mehboob, can you give me the reply of any question which is not responded yet? जिसको अब तक किसी ने रिस्पॉन्ड ना किया हो वो क्वेश्चन का आंसर दे सकते हैं. हारिस महबूब, हानिया फ़हीम, you may also allowed. अनमता रेहान, अनम जफ़र, Abdullah Ishtiaq, if anybody know the answer, they can also reply me from now. ठीक है, I have already given time to the participants to whom I asked the question, but if they are not responding me, then any other student can reply me if he know the answer or she know the answer. बेटे आर्टिकल you have already done रुमैसा आबिद. आर्टिकल्स में क्या है? We have indefinite articles which is a और n. ओके मैं आपको दोबारा रिपीट कर देती हूँ. I read it word to word. नहीं अनम जफर, I read it word by word. Okay, word to word is okay. हाँ okay okay fine. ठीक है. I read it word to word. Okay good. अच्छा, A और N for general things. Okay, and how do we determine A और N? By determining the vowel sound. ठीक है. अच्छा, number 5 का अब्दुल्ला is responding for number 5, which is 2. Okay good. Okay, अच्छा रुमैसा आबिद को मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रही थी that articles are having indefinite and definite articles. Okay, indefinite articles में a और n आता है. Okay, this is the Sharo's answer right now, that a और n we use for general things, for common things. Okay, a we use where there is a consonant sound of the word. Okay, and n is used where the vowel sound. Okay, it's not a big deal. You are learning this article topic I think from 5 class or 4 class. Okay, इसमें ऐसा कोई problem issue नहीं. Even my daughter who is in KG class, okay, उसके पास भी ये टॉपिक है वॉवल्स और कॉन्सोनेंट्स का एंड हाउ टू यूज ए और एन. ठीक है ना. अच्छा, डेफिनेट आर्टिकल में दा होता है विच इज यूज्ड फॉर अ स्पेसिफिक और स्पेशल काइंड ऑफ पर्सन और थिंग, और द पर्सन और थिंग विच वी हैव ऑलरेडी टॉक्ड अबाउट, विच वी हैव ऑलरेडी रेफर्ड, जिसके बारे में हम पहले भी बात कर चुके हों. तो उस स्पेसिफिक पर्सन और प्लेस के बारे में इफ वी टॉक अबाउट अगेन तो वी यूज द. ठीक है, दिस इज सिंपल.